Independence Day, it is a matter of pomp and joy, and you know this event, whatever you see today, have been prepared only in 5 days. And this was organized by our Mayank sir, Ranveer sir, Amar sir, Sumit sir, and all Vivek sir, and all the teachers. In a very short time, it was an excellent program. I am very pleased, and I also hope you are also pleased to see this. Barun Babulji has a special blessing over my school. He always encourages us how to promote my school. Last year, you have seen he had organized Talent 2.0, in which Honorable SDO Sahab of Nogachia, SDPO Sahab, and Executive Sahab Nogachia arrived here. They distributed award, and all the students were inspired from them. And for your kind information, I would like to say that this year also, this session also, Barun Babulji is going to organize KBC, Kaun Banega Champion. And further, Barun Babulji will describe whole about this, how will this program will be organized. It will have 3 stages. Better Barun Babul, after some time he will come to the stage, and thereafter he will describe. So this school, you know, everybody knows, this school was established on 1st January 2004. And at that time, I was only 21. And my brother, Mr. Rajesh Kumar Jha, was 30. And this school was inaugurated by M.Q. Jaman Sahab, who was the syndicate member of the Tilka Manjhi University at that time. And also, our patron was Harihar Prasad Chaudhary, who was then HM English teacher, and SP Salander, who was also invited here, and they addressed to us all. And especially I would like to remind our Prem Narayan Singh. Prem Narayan Singh, he was one of the renowned teacher of of Hindi, and he had told me that the name of your school is Gyan Vatika. It's a very popular name. This name Gyan Vatika means a Vatika full of flowers. And whenever these flowers bloom and spread their shade everywhere, then this school was recognized. And nowadays, you know, Prem Narayan Singh is no more, but we still remember him. And today, you know, this school last 13 years. This school had been preparing for many competitive examinations like Sainik School, Navodaya, Simultala, Ramkrishna Mission, and many more. And we achieved success also. More than 350 students passed out, and many students are still in the job of medical medicine. Some are in IB, and some are in different professions, engineers. So this school has produced so many meritorious students, and still now we are expecting more and more students are produced from these institutions so that they can name and fame of their villages, family, and this school. And moreover, I would like to say that I have never considered myself as the director of this institution. I always considered myself as a teacher. And whenever I go to class, I deal the students very politely, and I always guide to all the teachers of this school. However, no doubt, all the teachers of these schools are very talented. They are expert in their own field. As Ranveer sir, he is expert in computer, in service sir, in science, and all the teachers, Animesh sir in English, they are performing well. And you know, this time our students are participating in 10th board. And regarding this, all the teachers are working hard so that they can get more than 90% result, and this could create a positive environment in the field of Navachia and Bhagalpur. You know, there are a few schools. There are so many schools, no doubt. But in rural areas where there is lack of money, people are farmers, some are servicemen, but most of them are farmers. They have no such money so that they can afford their children. So I have only 5,000 in this school. You will only pay 5,000, and in this 5,000 you can teach in your ward in this school, and also fooding, lodging, tuition fee, everything available. And you know, this school has everything. It has smart board, it has computer, science lab, everything, library, everything, hall, everything available. Whenever I was child, I am also suffering from poverty. What is poverty? I know. So I think if the children, if they have no money, they could afford their children in this school. We have BPL quota, and if they admit their wards in BPL quota in standard 1, they can teach their ward up to 8th class. After that, in 9-10, they will have to pay some money, at least 600, 700 only. And I also think that meritorious students for the preparation, so that I also think about the meritorious students, that if they compete Navodaya examination, Sainik examination, in Navodaya, you know, +2, up to +2, there is no education fee, no lodging fee. So I think if the students are poor, they belong to poor family, I try, our whole team try, so that they could succeed, they could pass out the examination, and they could get admit in Navodaya Vidyalayas, and they could have a big career. So overall, I think I am not professional. This school is not professional. This school is a temple. This school is a temple, and I think this should remain temple. And temple, learning, earning. I have also given opportunity to all the teachers to come here, learn, earn, and give service to us, so that all-round development should be created. So I would not like to take your precious time. Better, I would like to call Barun Babul to please come on the stage and deliver their speech about the KBC. You know Barun Babul. Barun Babul has done so many works in the field of news, not only news. He is also trying to create such an environment so that all the children in Nogachia region, that means between Bhagalpur and Kosi, all the children should grow, develop, and could create their name and fame. He is trying his best, so all of us should cooperate him. So once again, I would like to call Barun Babul. Barun Babul ji, thank you.